John and I have been partners since 2002 in managing Dimension-Polyant in Putnam. We have been colleagues since 1988, and it is a dream combination to work with John.
Kenneth brings the expertise on making sure that everything we do, there's a reason behind it.
Worldwide we have about 1,500 customers. They all range from one-man bands, some being very small, up till very big companies.
Dimension-Polyant Sailcloth is the only sailcloth company that produces their own fabric in-house. We have a worldwide operation producing in Australia, in Germany, and here in Connecticut.
We use just about every fiber that's being used in the sailcloth market. We use here in our lamination process. Everything from polyesters, pen fiber, Vectran, Technora, Aramid, Toron Aramid, carbon fiber.
The group of people that we formed in this company come from all walks of the sailing industry, all the way up from average sailing community to the national level, the North American level, and even into the America's Cup. Moose is the jack of all trade. If you check with people around this country, Moose is truly one of the top people in our industry for racing, but more so he brings that excitement to the sail-offs.
Our goal is to provide a product for the sailmaker that has a wide range, is on a par with the highest performance membranes that you can get, and at the same time be affordable and have a quick turnaround.
In Connecticut, we specialize in lamination. With 2 highly automated laminators, we have taken this expertise and incorporated it into D4MP.
The D4MP is a natural extension of what we've been trying to do with the D4 all along, which was to bring a membrane process to every sailmaker so that the basic end-user sailor can use a membrane sail, and if they want to deal with their local sailmaker, they can do that.
Zach Clayton was hired specifically for his sailing, sailmaking, and sail design background. So it was a key element to get him here and helping us design the new D4MP.
The D4MP process is designed to create a paneled membrane sail. That sail is usable for a wide variety of applications, from one design racing sailboats to approximately 40-foot keel boats. That process gives the sail designer ultimate control. He can position his shape, curvature, all of those type of things for the sail exactly as he would out of roll goods, but he gets a lighter and stronger sail customized to the load map of that particular sailboat. And the price of the product is something that your average Wednesday night racer may think is perfect for them. Each and every client has a specific software package that they use to design sailboat sails for their customers. We've created the ability to take any of the myriad of different software applications and convert them into a process that works for us. I get from the designer a basic XY coordinate of each and every panel and piece of the sail. I have the ability to control curvature, angles, and the amount of yarn, the amount of trajectories, the denier per inch, all of those type of things are in the control software package. We end up with a completed yarn trajectory rather quickly. The D4MP process is housed completely under one roof so that we have environmental control, quality control, process control. So the production process is a matter of taking each individual piece of the sail, loading it into the software that lays the yarn. The yarn laying process for D4MP is taking a Aramid carbon Technora fiber and applying it to a base film. With the D4MP process, the machine can move in all axes in all directions, which means that you're saving weight and aligning the fibers exactly as the sail needs them. Your standard roll good fiber doesn't have that capability because the machine can only move in one direction. That individual piece is then laminated by utilizing the same lamination techniques and properties that Dimension-Polyant already has. We can now give a laminated membrane that has better lamination than the competition out there. Once the D4MP panel has been laminated, it needs to be plot and cut just like any other sailcloth. The great thing about D4MP is that the process is immediate after lamination. The panel is laminated, it comes out onto the plotting and cutting system, which is very similar to a plotting cutting system that any sailmaker would see in their loft. But it gives you the drawing and cutting of the actual piece. Your broad seam shape, your batten marks, panel numbers, all of those type of things are complete. Once the entire sail has been plot and cut, it is exactly as a sailmaker would have it. The pieces are numbered, labeled, ready to be assembled. And then the added feature we're giving to the sailmaker is we are bonding the sail together. The process is an adhesive that has been developed and sold by Dimension-Polyant that eliminates sewing of the seams. The bond is permanent and doesn't allow any seam creep. So the sail, once it is bonded together, will not shift, move, or adjust under load. The D4MP process is highly automated and efficient to enable Dimension-Polyant to supply the membrane product to the sailmaker in an efficient and streamlined manner.
D4 multi-panel. It's a process of making membrane sails for small boats in an effective, high-quality manner. Obviously, we have to be competitive, and that's why we came up with a highly industrialized, highly automatic manufacturing process for making small membrane sails.
These sails we're working on go from Grand Prix racing all the way down to the club level. We're not just addressing the race core, we're addressing the everyday sailor.